one would go for a house and or a mortgage and pay for 20-25 years, but when they get somebody to share that house with, they take the other person for granted, and it's just like a mundane, boring thing. Because there's no openness. There's oh yeah, let's just get over with. Yeah, today's what, Sunday at 10 o'clock. Let's do it. And then the two parties or one party is suffering, and then the relationship breaks down, and then you have to start all over again. So one of the key things I think is important is that, being able to be honest with yourself about what pleases you, and taking that chance to be honest with the other person about what pleases them. And if somebody tries something in the bedroom and they tried it and they don't really